Port Discovery friends, my name's Casey and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create your very own sensory bag right at home using things you probably already have lying around your house. Now you may be wondering, why sensory bags? Sensory bags are a great, no mess option for sensory play, are fun for all ages even though parents may not want to admit it, and they help children develop some essential skills like language as they describe what they're feeling and fine motor skills as they squeeze, poke, and manipulate the sensory bags. Now, to create a sensory bag, you'll need just a few materials. A Ziploc bag of any size, you can also use a gallon size, hair gel, duct tape to make sure that it is sealed shut, and any fun items you want to put in the bag that you may have left over from other craft projects, such as pom-poms, beads, sequins, gems, or anything else. Step 1. Place all of the fun pom-poms, beads, sequins, and other items into the bag you're going to use as your sensory bag. Step 2. Depending on the size of the bag, place gel inside of the bag. After trying this out a few times, I've come to realize the more gel, the squishier the bag, but we have to seal the sides with duct tape, which will take height and width off of the bag. Step 3. Squeeze the bag so that the hair gel and the items inside are more towards the center of the bag so we're able to tape the bag shut. As you can see, everything is more towards the center of the bag so we can tape around all of the sides. Step 4. Take your pieces of duct tape and tape around all of the sides of the bag. What I like to do is to lay the bag flat down like this and overlap. Now, I folded down the duct tape on all sides, so now I'm able to trim any of the excess. Once you've taped your sensory bag completely shut, you'll have something that results in this. You can also use colorful duct tape to make your end result even more colorful, or you can decorate it yourself like I did with mine when I used white duct tape. Another idea is to hang your sensory bags using clear packing tape against a clear glass door for your kiddo to poke and look at as the sun rays flow through the door. We hope you enjoyed this DIY activity from your friends at Port Discovery Children's Museum.